What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Toosmooveeli back with another video. Today we got the new game that's been hyped up a little bit. If I do say so myself, we got Texas Chainsaw. It's a little bit of a mix of Dead by Daylight and Freddy versus Jason. If you play whatever, Jason Killer, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. But let's see what this whole hidden for, man. I skipped over the tutorial, so if I'm trash, that's why. I'm sorry. I'm not a tutorial type nigga. I'm not finna sit there and watch tutorials. That's just not me. But let's get into it, man. I'm hyped to see it, bro. I don't know how to play this, so if I get cut, if I get dropped off, I might rage. I'm not gonna lie. Who we waiting on? June, ready up. Julie, ready up. Cook, ready up. Leatherface, ready up. Come on. What we waiting on? And how does the family have just as much players as us? We better have some extra abilities, for real. I do not know how to play this hoe, y'all. I'm dead ass. So if I get knocked off, that's why. Man, ready up, bruh. Here we go. Let's get it.
Search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department.
Okay, attacking and hurting grandpa using bones. Save his abilities for okay. Oh, let's get. Oh, I don't know how to play this. I'm really like nervous type shit. Unlock exits. Okay. Escape the family. Let me go here. Oh, they hoeing. Now they hoeing. I'm just gonna keep it here if I can. Am I doing the right thing? Get me out this hell, nigga. The fuck wrong with you, boy? You need help, Brittany? I got you. Come on. There we go. What we do? Why am I already limping? Move my camera over here. I guess I'm in the way of everything over there. Come on, let's go. X to use. Crawl, nigga. Nah, don't trying to set me up.
It's them from the campsite.
Bro, I don't have a clue how to play this game at all. So serious. I don't have a clue what the hell I'm doing. I'm just gonna follow this nigga till he die, and I'm gonna run off in the plug. Let's get out of here. You need help? What the fuck? Right, is he trying to get me killed? Fuck it. Man, come on, stop playing with me. Alright, what we do now? Who opened that door?
Those freaks are around here somewhere.
Hold on. Oh, it's causing noise. Oh, I hold. I just hold. Damn, I can't run? Oh, there you go. What the fuck? Oh, I gotta get bone scraps, okay. I don't wanna hide. Nah, hell no. Get me out of here. See, press A to run faster. Okay, I'm supposed to be finding. Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to be finding, where I'm supposed to be at. I don't have a map to know where my team's at. The family don't show up on the map nowhere. I hear somebody talking to me though. Oh, he scared me. Give me that. Like, look how slow I have to go or I'm gonna make noise. Come on, man. Is he coming? Give me my shit, nigga. What y'all talking about? Alright, let me go back to my teammates. Yeah, don't leave me now. Putting a little pep in your step. I don't like that. Okay, we all together.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden.
But they gotta be close because we acting scared right now. Hey, I got some bones. I don't know if y'all need those, teammates. What does that mean? Oh, that bone is just like a knife, I guess. Yeah, I gotta stay by my teammates because I don't know where I'm supposed to be going. Boy, you can't be walking up on me like that, fam. Man, where I'm going out to fight, bro. These niggas, man, this shit too slow paced. Oh, that nigga close. He just killed somebody. He just killed somebody. He had to just kill somebody got caught for sure. Oh, no, 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 no way he sees me! Nigga, you got me fucked up, nigga. Speed kill, nigga. Speed kills, nigga. Speed kills, nigga. Speed kills, nigga. Speed kills, nigga. I can't see! Run. Speed kill, nigga. What are you doing? Run! Somebody gotta help me, bro. No way. No way they hold me. Then they gassing this nigga up. I'm dead. Okay, first of all, my teammates is running around playing like some little freaking scary punks. On top of that, you can't run from a nigga because the movement's trash. Where you look, you don't look. You just look at the ground. Then it's all this stuff on your screen, bro. This game finna piss me off already. They're dead. They're dead. He's dead. You gotta get out of there. You gotta get out of there, my boy. You can't, like, whoever makes these games, bro. You gotta get out of there, my boy. See, you can't win. You can't win. He's
win or you don't. You can kill
like,
that win,
yeah, bro. This nigga too fast, bro. He got all these buffs and abilities. You can't beat him. Your screen's foggy. You can't run fast. If he hits you once, you slow down and you fall to the ground. You can't win. You slow. It's all kinds of weird stuff in the way. The vision's blurry. You can't win, bro. Here you go again, catching another body. Get out of there, Connie. Get going, Connie. Look, trap. He done. Oh, shit. Okay. Come on, Connie. Don't go that way. There you go. Like, what? What's good, Star Knight? Like, what? Follow up, man. Appreciate the first time chat. But, like, what? You can't win. You can't win. How do you win in this game? This don't make no sense, bruh. This don't make no sense. They got all the buffs in a row. All we got is 2 feet and some bone scraps. 2 feet and some bone scraps. It's crazy, man. And I don't even know what the goal is. What am I supposed to be achieving? What am I supposed to be finding? You can't walk through the middle because the whole family, they're eating dinner and then they're going to catch you and cut your head off. So I have to stay here for 2 minutes and then I just leave. I don't got to find nothing to break through or nothing. Because that's what I thought I had to do. I thought I was supposed to be looking for something. The only thing I was able to find was some bone scraps. I found the bone scraps and all I could do was cut down some bones. And then on top of it, when he hit me once, I'm limping. I keep hitting walls. I can't see, my vision blurry. Spit blood over my face. Hey, I don't know the way out. That's the best way to say it. I do not know the way out. And then when you try to get stuff from, they make it loud. He finna get caught. I'm trying to see if he can clutch his side. I'm not gonna lie.
Say it one more time.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet. YouTube, I'm gonna catch back up when I'm in the game too.
Search continues in Muerto County for a missing
Alright, YouTube, we back with game 2, man. We back with game 2. Let's see, you know. I got some tips and tricks. I know how to play a little different now.
vehicle was recently
Oh, I know how to play now, okay.
officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search nearby
I'm escaping this time, mark my words.
family and friends.
And now I know not to be loud right here. Bro, the nigga next to me making all that records, I might as well make it myself, right? Come on now. You trying to get me caught up. Come on, we gonna be either together or, you know what I mean? Let's get out of here.
Is this a way out?
Let's get it. No, I'm not going through that door. Dang, ain't no way back.
It's working.
Okay. What's this? Take those bone scraps. We locked in this time. Promise you. At least the bones should be able to hit the dude or something. Like, I can't even get a strike off. Nothing. How do I change to my bones? Okay. What does that do though? Swap health? Forget it. I don't need that bone thing anyways. I need health. That's a walkway. Okay. It's a blue box. We need this. I could just be loud, make them come this way and take off, but you know, I'm not gonna do that. I hear something close. Might be a teammate though.
Now where do you go?
I'm gonna open this for future references. Oh, someone's dead. Someone's dead. I might need that route later. Don't come this way, Mary. Oh, he scared me. Oh shit. No, oh, he don't see me, right? Oh, he just chopped somebody up. He just chopped somebody up. How do I heal you? Come here. Oh, oh. That just scared me. That just scared me. Why are you moving? No, no, she sold me. Whoo! They scaring me. I ain't gonna cap. I gotta heal you. Come here. Let me heal you. Where would I be without my slat? Oh no, he's close. He's close. He's close. Good thing I opened. Oh, he's right there. This nigga can cut through metal. Oh, he closed it. No, no, no! No, no. How do I close the door? No, he closed it for that. It's closed, closed. Like, we can't even... Where am I at? Am I in a dungeon? Oh, I'm out this hoe. I'm out this hoe. I'm out this hoe. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Which way am I going? Oh, is this the way out? No, I don't want to go there yet. I gotta get out. No! Oh, not going there. Oh, shoot! I'm not over there. I'm not over there. Why can't I run? Get out, 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 get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. You gotta jump over something, buddy. You gotta jump, you gotta jump. There you go. There we go. Come on. Get out, get out, get. Oh, that's a freaking blocked way. That's a blocked way. I didn't mean to hit that. How do I heal up? How do I heal up? Heal up. Heal up. No way.
You gonna heal your body, niggas. You realize it?
Yeah, for real. I don't care if I'm blind. I gotta get this. Get out, boy. Get out, get out, get out. I have oh, that's a bone. I didn't pick up that health. No way. Oh no, he's close. Can I hide here? You just try to hide here. You gonna see me? I'm just trying to hide right here. There's no way out, right? Unless I go there. I can go there. Why not? Why not? Why not? Can I fit you there? There we can. There we can. We can. We can. There we go. There we go. There we go. Like I said, when I get instructions, it's over with. Can I help them? No, I can't. It's a toolbox. Oh, he's close. He's close. No, that's broken. No, that's broken. No, he's close. Stop running, dude, with the fluff. Hey, they pulling up. I gotta get these tools, y'all. Oh, he's that. He's... Yeah, he's somewhere. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he see me. He see me. He see me. Oh, no. What's this? This what I need. There we go. Med kit. Little med kit. There we go. Keep that open for further notice. Need that. There we go. Already got the bones. Let me keep still for this grandpa dude. Is it over? Can I move? There we go, toolbox. There we go. It's like when I make it to the, it's like they camp in the doors or something, bro. Because every time I get by the doors, they, you know, I get my, oh, there's one. There's one. There's one. Now, how do I unlock this up? Pick lock. See, he's close now. He's camping here, bro. Okay, he gone. He gone. Oh, let's try that again. How do I pick the lock? Oh, I got it. Okay. Oh, it's the same thing. All right, we getting out of here. Oh, he escaped. He escaped. I gotta be with him. Come on. This easy money, right? Come on. I don't care how loud it is. I'm out, right? Wait. There's more? Oh, get out. Oh, it's... Oh, shit. Oh, after you get out the basement, it's more?
I thought they sound
Oh, snap. Where now? Oh, is that one of me? Is that my nigga? I'm here. Ricky. Leland, turn around. I'm here. Is that one of my guys? Or... Oh, no. Get down. Lay low. You don't see me here, right? You shouldn't see me here. No, please don't. Ooh! Oh! How do I leave? Please let me leave this. No, they're camping. I'm dead. Heal up. Get out. Oh, he hit me once. I'm still alive. Come on, you gotta run. Jamal. Come on. You gotta run. Get out. You gotta run, Jamal. Juked him. I play football. No one over there. I played football. No one over there. I used to play football. Oh, they got me. Ooh, no one's healing. I'm out. Stop playing with me, man. I gotta get somewhere, bro. I'm running out of health. Oh.
So you can't win the game?
You literally can't win, bro. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna wrap this video up. As you guys can see, it's not possible to win. You get out the tunnel and they just camping. They're all up here camping. You can't escape. They're all camping the doorway. How do I escape? How can I escape? But check in my Twitch streams. Go watch Twitch from there. I'm probably gonna come back with more of this content later. But till next time, we out. Peace.